Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps your bank information private when shopping online. Get $5 right now to try the service at plughitzlive.com/privacy. Hello, Internet. I'm Scott with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. We are at CES 2019 at the Sands right now. I am at the FoldiMate booth, and I've got a robotic laundry folder next to me. We'll find out about it in just a second, but first, go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
Hi, Scott. My name is Gal Rozov. I'm the founder and CEO of FoldiMate.
And so, for those who may not have seen our video a couple of years ago when you had your prototype, explain exactly what FoldiMate is.
Sure. FoldiMate is a robotic laundry folder. It folds your shirts, pants, towels, and even pillowcases in under 5 minutes. You can do 25 items. It's like a laundry load in under 5 minutes. It's very simple to use. Why don't you try and use it, and we'll show them how simple it is.
Okay.
So all you have to do is grab an item from the shoulders facing you, clip it onto these unique clips that we made, and when it goes inside, it will do the hard work for you and bring another item. It simultaneously folds the items. That's why we're saying under 5 minutes you will get through an entire laundry load. So Scott, have you tried it before?
No. It was the last time we spoke, you had a non-working prototype. It was just a concept. So this is my first time seeing this.
Sure. So what we'll do now, we'll just ask FoldiMate to eject it. Of course, we can do a lot more. And Scott, you can take it out. So, folks, we didn't do anything. And this is what Scott folded today.
And obviously it must work. There was no way for you to have known which things out of this laundry basket I was gonna grab. So that was quick, easy, way easier than actually folding it yourself. And all the lines are straight, and I can't get that.
Me too. But now I can. And it's so simple that my kids started fighting over who is going to do the laundry folding once FoldiMate will get to our home. We're still in prototype stage, so it will take some time. Those who are interested can go online to foldimate.com and join our wait list. We're trying to get the early products by the end of the year, maybe a little bit later, and the price point will be between 1,000 to 1,000 plus. We're trying to get it down. Sure. We still need to go through the manufacturing process. It takes time, it's costly, but as you can see, we're on track, and all of these items around here have been folded by FoldiMate. So I hope that you're eager as I am to have it at home.
For sure. And it's about the size of a regular appliance,
Yeah, a little bit higher, so it will be ergonomic for you to feed it.
Got it. But it would fit in a laundry room, no problem, and it's convenient.
Thank you. I mean, we redesigned this prototype from the one from last year. The idea was that it will fit in any room, not just the laundry room. All it needs is just a standard power socket. You can put it, we have fans who wants to put it in their bedroom, for example, next to the closet. So it's very straightforward. You just plug it into the wall and you start working with it. And that's the good news about FoldiMate. It's very easy.
So it doesn't require 220, 240 like a washing machine usually does. This just will run on regular 110 in any room in the house.
Exactly. It's very low power consumption, and it also doesn't need running water like a washer. So you can put it wherever you want and start using it right away.
That's great. I can't wait to see these out in the wild because I think they're going to be wildly popular.
I hope so too, and we also got a lot of attention from laundromat owners, so we're also considering like a laundromat version that will allow laundromat customers to also enjoy the same benefits that you might have in your home. So stay tuned, we're working on it, we'll see how it goes, but
yeah, that would totally make sense. I can see that working out real well.
Thank you.
So
What
Best of CES, huh?
Yeah, yesterday we got the award. Business Insider chose us as CES Best of CES 2019. We're very honored. I'm so proud of the team. look, this is a prototype that was not supposed to have worked like you saw here. It's so reliable that people are saying like, here, take my money, and I'm taking it home.
Yeah, hey, look over there.
Exactly. It's a little bit heavy to run with, but still.
So the distraction just has to be a little better.
Exactly. Look, a bird.
Well, I really appreciate you taking the time to show this off. I'm so happy to see where you've come since the last time we talked.
Thanks for coming, Scott.
Absolutely. For continuing CES 2019 coverage, stay tuned to plughitzlive.com/CES.